Hi friends, welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make Hyderabadi style Brinjal curry, which is very famously called as Gutti Vankaya Kura in Telugu. So let's see the process. Here I have taken 250 grams of brinjal. Give 2 slits. Keep it in salt water. Oil 5 tablespoons. Fenugreek tamarind 1 small bowl. Salt to taste. Dhania powder 1.5 tablespoon. Seeds and mustard seeds. Fresh curry leaves. Red chilli powder 1.5 tablespoon. Turmeric half a tablespoon. Fresh mint leaves. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Fresh coriander leaves. 5 grams of peanuts. 3 grams of desiccated coconut. Sesame seeds 3 grams. Here, first put on your stove, keep a pan and dry roast peanuts. Our peanuts have roasted. Now I am going to take in a bowl. Keep this aside and add desiccated coconut and sesame seeds. Our sesame seeds and desiccated coconut are also roasted. Now switch off the stove and take in a bowl. Now cool this roasted peanuts, sesame seeds and desiccated coconut and then blend these 3 together by adding water. We have made a fine paste by adding. Now let's see the further process. Put on your stove, keep a kadai, add oil. When our oil is hot, add brinjals. Just cook your brinjals in hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes so that our brinjal becomes soft. Here my brinjals are soft. At this moment I'll just take the brinjals into a plate. Now in the same oil add cumin seeds and mustard seeds, fresh curry leaves, few fenugreek seeds, onion, and saute your onion. Our onions are sauteed. Now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chilli powder, garam masala powder and stir well. Now add peanuts, sesame seeds and desiccated coconut paste. Stir well. When this masala starts leaving oil, At that moment, add tamarind juice. Now add salt, dhania powder, coriander powder and brinjals. Mix all together. For consistency, you can add water. And cook for more 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now you can serve this dish with hot rice. That's it. This was our today's recipe, Gutti Vankaya Kura, Hyderabadi style brinjal curry. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our recipe. See you in the other session with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.